Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Discord for team collaboration in 2025. So we are going to set up a clean server with channels, roles, and quick meeting tools so that your team can work smoothly. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to launch your Discord application. Then you need to log in into your account if you haven't already. Over here in the left hand section, you are going to see this plus icon. So you need to simply tap on this option, then select the option of create my own. Over here, you need to select whether you want to building it for community or friends. So since we are creating it for team collaboration, you need to simply select the option of for a club or community. Now you need to give your server a name. So here let's say I give it a name as Team Alpha. Now click on the option of create server. So once you have created your server, it is going to generate the server link for you. So you can copy this link from here. You can send any invitation to your team members with the help of this option, or you can also skip this option as of right now because you can just take a look at it later. Now you can add the channels over here. There can be a bunch of different channels like announcements, then we have general, then we have project related channels. You can also add voice channels for any kind of meetings. So you need to simply just click on this plus icon and you can add any of the medias you want, and you can add any of the messages in your server. Now when you tap on the option of general here in the top, you are going to see this settings icon. So here simply tap on the option of settings. Now in the settings you can select the role of this particular channel. So if you are the admin, you can select it. You can also add members and other managers. So you need to just simply try to collaborate in real time. For that you can tap on this microphone icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Then you can share your voice. You can also tap on the option of this plus icon and share your media. You can use threads under busy message so that your conversation stay focused and the main channel doesn't get cluttered. You can also open the app related directory and add the tools to your team members. So this way you will be able to use Discord for team collaboration basically by creating a clean server and adding the focused channels. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.